Well, number one, sa 5 sinabi ni Director, 6 ang mali. Okay? Sinabi niyang ibibigay niya warrant, sabi niya ibibigay niya yung report, sabi niya papakita niya na hindi sila yung gumulpe, sinabi niya na hindi sila nag-i-inspection ng mga kotse, tapos sinabi niya pa ulit-ulit yesterday, walang NBI sa Senado. PNP na mismo nagsabi. So ang problema, the director seems to be lying to someone. Is lying to the palace, is lying to me, is lying to us, is lying to ano. So ayusin niya muna sarili niya. Di ba? They're under investigation also eh. So, ilabas niya muna lahat ng facts bago kami mag-usap.
Pero as far as you are concerned, sir, pag protective custody, meron bang gano'n na tungkol?
What does protective mean? Pro-protectionan mo. Oh. Pag ayaw mo na yung protection ko, arestuhin kita. Di ba? So pag kayo sa media pumunta dito, sir, seek sanctuary, bakit? Sabi nila police, pero tingin namin hindi police, huliin kami. Oh. Umuwi sila, wala na. Sir, thank you sa protection nyo, uwi na ako. Oh. Hindi naman to korte. Na yung korte kasi, pag sinabing under the custody, instead of bail. Di ba? So instead of bail, pupunta doon. So, di ba? So, I mean, ang request ko lang from the government and from the NBI director, do statements na makakatulong. Di ba? Kung gusto niyong hulihin si Senator Bato, they do your job. Eh, ang problema, pinagbintangan na nila lahat eh. Pinagbintangan nila si Senator Soto na pinapasok sila. Pinagbintangan si Senator Bato, hinabol daw siya dahil tumakbo siya. O pinagbintangan nila ang Senado, sinara daw namin. Kaya, di ba? They can do their job. I don't even know why they're involved. Because he came here and he asked for the tradition to be followed that before he is arrested, 2 things have to happen. I-present ang warrant and i-exhaust niya yung legal ano. So until last night, wala namang pre-present sa kanya. So how could I act upon something I do not have?
Pero sir, pwede bang nasa labas siya but still under...
He did not ask for that. He did not ask for that. And sa tono sa akin nung wife is that he's on his own. But we're praying for him and I hope he'll be okay.
Bakit yung wife ang nagpe-text, hindi si Senator Bato mismo?
Maybe because of the electronic trace ng